Oh look, another fucking 4 times.
SMG suppressor, does anybody need it?
I am actually good.
Alright. Alright, since this one's clear, I'm gonna move into Eric's building.
Alright.
I'm good there. Alright.
Yeah.
556 on me, Eric.
I'm just popping the tire on that UAZ out there. Essentially, yeah. I'm just I finally got it. Yeah, mainly, I'm just trying to get a eye for the drop.
Gotcha. I hear a car. 260.
Oh, there's a guy.
He may have dropped somebody off. With me.
No, he picked up somebody and they left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they went to the news, I believe.
Yeah. Sadly, we're not in.
That's whatever. No, I understand. I completely. Everybody's getting tilted with everybody, and I understand where it comes on from, Phil. Oh God.
Yeah, we need to go now, guys. We have totally not paid attention here.
Yeah, we're just going to head straight this way, and I do have some meds. Y'all find a 2-seater somehow?
I got some meds too. Hey, it's not that far actually, but we're gonna be wide in the open. It's not gonna be good for us. Oh yeah, we're fucked.
Hey, look, 3-seater.
Well, let's get the hell out of this area. I'm meeting you guys. Go. This. It's going right in the ass.
My game is crashing. Wow. Yep. My game. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I was still driving.
Have a good time. Oh, okay, I'll get you. Hold on.
God damn.
Oh, he's going in circles?
What's that name?
I hear a car coming too. Dude, look at him! His teammate killed himself. Run.
Am I still alive? Oh God, let's hurry.